Once upon a time in the lush, green forest, there lived a brave little tortoise named Tilly and a swift hare named Hector. Introduce characters. Tilly was known for her bravery, while Hector was famous for his swiftness. Repeat vocabulary. Tilly loved to explore the forest, but Hector was too quick to keep up. Repeat vocabulary. One day, a mischievous fox stole Tilly's favorite pear and ran deep into the forest. Introduce conflict. Seeing this, Tilly felt a surge of courage and decided to retrieve her pear. Repeat vocabulary. Hector, noticing Tilly's determination, offered to help. "Let's catch that fox together," he exclaimed. Repeat vocabulary. Tilly and Hector set off, but Hector's swiftness quickly outpaced Tilly. Repeat vocabulary. Tilly, however, did not give up. She walked steadily, focusing on each step, her heart filled with determination and perseverance. Repeat vocabulary. As they ventured deeper into the forest, the trail grew darker and the paths more twisted. Introduce twist. Hector, growing impatient, decided to go on ahead. But he soon lost the trail and found himself lost in the forest. Introduce conflict. Tilly, on the other hand, remained patient and observant. She noticed a trail of pear crumbs that led her right to the fox. Reveal solution. With a brave heart, she approached the fox and asked for her pear back. The fox, surprised, returned the pear and apologized. Repeat vocabulary. Meanwhile, Hector returned, lost and worried. When he saw Tilly with the pear, he felt a sense of admiration for her bravery and perseverance. Repeat vocabulary. From that day forward, Tilly and Hector learned that while speed might help in some races, bravery and perseverance could solve any problem. Repeat vocabulary. And so, the forest was once again filled with the laughter of the brave tortoise and the swift hare, who had learned a valuable lesson about friendship and teamwork. Repeat vocabulary. As they settled down for the night, they looked at the stars and dreamt of their next adventure. end with a peaceful resolution.